All right, let's take a look at how you manage your provider profile in the ReadyDoc platform. So here we are again at the administrative dashboard, and we can see all of the providers again at a glance that you have in your facility. But let's take a closer look at Dr. Julie Agora over here on the right. As you've seen in other videos, we have the folder structure for Dr. Agora's credential documents in her credential safe, and we could get to those here, but that's another video. Today we're going to focus on the profile for Dr. Agora. So when we click on the profile tab, we can see at a glance basic information about Dr. Agora. If we had a picture of her, it would show up here. All the information you would expect, like a NPI number. We don't happen to have one here, but this is where it would go. Our primary and secondary specialty for Dr. Agora, and any other information that we have about her. We also have the ability to edit Dr. Agora's profile. So in those cases where we didn't have an NPI number, we could easily pop it in here, and any other information that might be missing, and then update that profile. And also we have a monitoring tab that allows us, with a direct connection to the OIG database, to do a search on Dr. Agora to see if there are any exceptions that need to be monitored and managed right here out of the platform. Pretty simple. Now you're ready with ReadyDoc.